Hello from Avigilon. Avigilon was formed to address the security industry's years of frustration with marginal video quality. Avigilon is listening and responding to end users in need of superior video surveillance performance, and in the process is earning accolades from the security market. Avigilon develops and markets high-definition video surveillance content management systems that enable the user to instantaneously identify details necessary for positive identification of events and evidence. The Avigilon Control Center is the world's first open performance platform that was designed to manage millions of pixels of information versus previously introduced video management systems that were designed for thousands of pixels. The Avigilon Control Center user interface with high-definition stream management allows you to transmit, record, search, playback, and export without compromise. High-definition video can now be managed more effectively and cost-efficiently than previous market offerings. The commercial value of utilizing high definition for security and surveillance is this. Situation awareness and details allow for faster response times and shorter investigations. Ultimately, this leads to better overall protection, along with saving time and saving money. The Avigilon Control Center, along with its high-definition stream management, has the capability of processing the spectrum of light like no previously commercialized network video management system. Its three-dimensional quality allows for processing the details that have been previously lurking in the shadows. Avigilon Control Center not only has much better ability to capture millions of pixels of information. In this image, you are capturing video quality that is 4872 by 3248, a native file that is larger than a typical high-definition screen can display. Since you're capturing far more detail, conceivably it would take over 50 conventional surveillance cameras to capture the same level of detail. With conventional surveillance systems and PTZ cameras, security professionals have to make a choice between viewing the entire parking lot, or situation awareness, or a single license plate, the detail, but they can't see both at the same time. The Avigilon Control Center with high-definition stream management and digital pan, tilt, and zoom capability is able to deliver both situation awareness and the detail at the same time. This capability is available either with live or archive video. With the Avigilon Control Center, analog and Avigilon megapixel cameras can be split electronically to multiple images and views from any single camera. The Avigilon Control Center is architected end-to-end to deliver the benefits of high-definition video. It is the only software code base on the market today that was designed for the purpose of high-definition performance. A key component of the Avigilon Control Center's ability to manage HD video so effectively is the high-definition stream management, or HDSM. HDSM is the industry's highest performance method for combining HD camera control and image compression, transmission, and storage of HD video. Avigilon's HDSM utilizes the standard compression technology referred to as JPEG 2000 and adds a wrapper to automate camera functions. HDSM image transmission is a breakthrough for the surveillance industry and delivers the maximum image quality and frame rates and minimizes bandwidth utilization. The key to HDSM transmission is that it only sends the image data that needs to be sent. Let's have a closer look. HDSM images leverages the JPEG 2000 compression technology and are progressively built from image packets. The front layer of the image file contains the image data required for situation awareness. The detail of the HDSM images is progressively improved by adding quality layers. The frame of video takes on a three-dimensional cube-like quality as millions of pixels are now gathered packet by packet. There is now a depth of information available to navigate in order to identify situation awareness or drill down into the layers for detail. The key to HDSM is that it is seamlessly integrated to the Avigilon Control Center client and server software and gets feedback from the client software that only sends the required image packets for what is being displayed. To view the highlighted image, which is a situation awareness view that only data from the front layer or skin of the file is required. The rest of the image is never transmitted. To view this image of the license plate, multiple layers for a small region are sent. HDSM once again preserves bandwidth by only sending required image packets. HDSM trickles packets of information across available bandwidth without compromising image quality, frame rate, or bandwidth. Avigilon has taken a unique and innovative approach to designing video surveillance systems that takes full advantage of megapixel performance. The process begins by defining the level of detail required in order to successfully identify live or archived events. The pixels on target are identified via this online tool with graphics that represent the detail available measured by the number of pixels per foot. For instance, if you want to capture license plate detail, you will need approximately 40 pixels per foot. For facial detail, you may want as many as 100 pixels per foot. Benefiting from the low bandwidth capabilities of HDSM, Avigilon Control Center can also allocate more storage capacity to recent events and taper archived surveillance video for maximum storage times with HDSM data aging. The Avigilon Control Center with HDSM was designed with simplicity of use, yet with the sophistication of the most robust network benefits. The Avigilon Control Center has the industry's fastest HD search, making it possible to quickly and securely bookmark and export movies or still images in industry-standard formats. You also have the option of the Avigilon lossless format player for dynamic off-site forensic enhancement by third parties such as law enforcement officials. The Avigilon Control Center version 4.0 contains open system and enterprise features such as support for third-party IP cameras, support for alternative industry compression technologies, the ability to configure redundant and mirrored recordings to multiple NVRs, automatic failover recording of cameras to an alternate NVR, the ability to back up and restore video to an offline device, audio support for streaming and recording, integrated evidence reports, and bookmark protection. The Avigilon Control Center is developed with open systems design in mind. The Avigilon Control Center has been certified as a Linnell Open Access Partner Integration, for instance, and is available as a license option. With the Avigilon Control Center, you have the ability to add license plate recognition as a module to the enterprise video management system. Avigilon is a complete HD surveillance solution provider, offering everything needed for HD surveillance in a plug-and-play package, all from one source. If you are viewing this presentation online, we invite you to view for yourself the quality of the Avigilon system. Simply click on the Products tab of the website, click on the sample footage, and download the Avigilon player. Thank you for your time and your interest.